Welcome to Resonating Art. My name is Amy. I'm going to make a bloom right here in the middle, just a small one. I'm using Nick Pro. Okay, that's perfect. Okay, let's do my white now. I'm just going to do a small bloom. And I need a toothpick. There's my toothpick. Okay, that's that. Okay, I've got some black here. I've got the Let's Resin black pigment. I squeezed out 3 drops in this 50 grams. I've also got 50 grams here. I was gonna put some mica powder in. This is the color shift. Pretty good heaping. I'm gonna stir that up over here so I don't get that powder everywhere. My resin was 91.4 degrees. It's probably 92.5 at least by now. I think my black might be a little dark. 2 probably would have worked and not 3. But we'll see what it looks like with the 3. Okay, let's get this in here. Okay, this is 50, the mica powder. And I'm gonna just go around the outside and then in I guess I'm gonna use the rest of the resin I have sitting over here. I've also got a darker blue. No, I got a lighter blue I'm gonna use, hold on. And here is my lighter color. This one was the color shift blue, and this one is the cyan. It's just a lighter color. Let's get a heaping in there also. I hope they're not too much the same. You know, I might add a little, I'm gonna add a little white mica powder. If I can find some. All I can find are my color shifts. I'll do the interference blue a little bit. Okay. I didn't put much of that in there at all. Okay, let me mix that up. Smush it against the sides to make sure your mica powder's smushed in there. We'll go around the outside again. Now I'm gonna go around the inside. So when I put a bloom with 100 grams of clear, and then I mixed up about 150 No, I mixed up about 200. So, and I still got some over there, so let's tell that. So I don't know the exact. I know it's pretty close to, I added another, let's see, 100. I think it holds 270 altogether, this mold. I'm gonna shut off that dryer before it drives me nuts. Okay, I'm gonna let this cure up. I'm gonna come back every so often and make sure I pop the bubbles on the back with a torch or a long neck lighter. And we will see you for demold. Okay, let's take a look at this. The back is amazing. It's beautiful. I hope the front is amazing. Still soft, of course. Oh, are we ready? Oh, I love it. Turned out beautiful. Very beautiful. Sweet. All right, I'll get some pictures posted. Nice, guys. I love it. See ya.